Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, pretty much anything related to makeup. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, sometimes just plain makeup looks. And today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag, the regular bag for April. This one is $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples in a cute little bag. Sometimes, every now and then, you might get a full size product. Normally, I notice about one product, like a lip liner, eyeliner, lipstick, or something like that. Sometimes a nail polish, maybe a makeup tool. And I did do an add-on this month, but here is the bag. It is cute. It's like a thick cloth material. Then something like little lips. A bag like this, I feel like I would get dirty really fast. I don't know why, but I just see it. I don't do good with white clothes or anything like that. Force of Nature is the theme this month. May's limited edition drop is Glam Bag X times Chloe, which that is next month. And your card tells us everything we got. We'll look at that in a minute. My add-on is the Koki Professional Cover and Conceal Beauty Sponge, and it is purple. Let me take it out so you see it. It is very, I think it's going to be good. The way it feels, it's soft. More like a beauty blender than most of them. The beauty blender is easy to, like, squish together. A lot of them's really hard, and it really just sucks up your makeup and doesn't do really good. So, the way this one feels, it feels like it's going to do a good job, but I'm not going to say that it's going to. Alright, so that was the only add-on. And now we will start with what we got. And our first thing is, and it is Glow On Fifth Beauty Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub. Alright. I've got like a few hands and body scrubs lately, especially hand scrubs. I think because, you know, the pandemic, but my hands has been staying horribly dried out, cracking, everything I do. I know I overwash my hands. I get that. But I have used every kind of lotion I can think of. And I mean, it's really just not working. If I keep if I keep Vaseline on my hands at night, I find that's the only thing that's really, like, helping me. So, here it is. It's really gritty. It smells alright. Really don't have no smell. And I don't got no water, so I'll wipe that off. It doesn't actually say how many ounces or anything we got. Added quarter size amount onto wet skin. Massage into a large circle of motions. Rinse off. Enjoy 2 to 3 times per week. It is cruelty free. Okay. Next thing is by Nomad. And this is Sydney Bathurst. This is Balmora Beach. Kiss the Sun highlighter. Let me see. I want to say that I've got the Kiss the Sun. So this is what it looks like. I do not like my lighting. I got a ring light. I've got all the other lights off. I got like 2 lights running. This whole setup is totally different than what I'm usually filming with. So bear with me. My stuff should be getting here soon. So it is pretty, and it was called The Kiss of Sun. I know I got that. I think I do. It's like everything. Normally I try to keep my eyeshadow palettes on this side, and then my highlighters and stuff over there. But I don't know, everything, I've got a bunch of stuff pulled out. Needs to go back up, and I don't see it. So I'm not sure if I got it or not. We'll go ahead and swatch it. It is a beautiful highlighter. No, Mad has some absolutely wonderful makeup. I've got a contour I really like, a bronzer, some highlights, some eyeshadows. Here is one of theirs eyeshadows. I don't wear a lot of browns, so I've used this a couple times. As you can tell, it's still imprinted. I've used the yellow and like the reddish browns a little bit more, but alright, so I do like that. Then focus in. It's not going to focus. I hate this. This is Go Fatten MD. This is their solution. Wake up call. Overnight. Facial treatment. You're getting 0.4 flow ounces, which is 12 milliliters. Problem. Dry and aging skin. See, it's not going to focus. It should focus. There we go. Okay. Now, I like Go Fattens MD. They've got a lot of stuff. I've got some of their stuff on today in skincare. I really do like them. They seem, the stuff I have used seems like it works for me, but everybody's skin's different, so what works for me may not work for you. Okay. It's got a smell to it. Something like floral. I'm not sure. But, I mean, it's really smooth. It don't feel like it's really heavy and gonna weigh your skin down at night. So, I like that. Then, we got Cookie Cosmetics. This is their Crystal Fusion. It is a liquid eyeshadow, ombre. We're getting 0.169 flow ounces, which is 5 milliliters. And here's what the applicator, just about standard. It is a pretty color. I do like that. Even with this look on I got on today, I could really just like pop it into my corners. My eyes has been watering something awful today. It's really like drying my under eyes out. Okay, so I like that. So far, I think it's been my most favorite thing out of the bag. Okay, so our last item is by Sunday Riley. And it is their A+. It's a retinol. It's 6.5% retinol blend. It's got COQ10 plus honey. It's just a high dose of retinol serum. I've used it before. I do like it. it does not tell, like, how much you're getting in here or anything like that. It is right here. It's got a little bit of a smell. Nothing like, once you get it on, I already know, like, the smell goes away. It ain't something that's going to irritate you or bother you or anything like that. And here's the inside of the bag. Force of Nature. And the little Ipsy. So, we will go over the prices. My favorite things in the bag was the liquid eyeshadow and, of course, the add-on of the sponge. I do like the retinol. I do use retinol on occasions. I like the Gold Fatten LD. Was it my favorite bag? No, but I do like some of the products. I will use all of the products. The Nomad Cosmetics, I do like it. I have to have that highlighter because I've got that palette. I know I do. This is a deluxe size sample right here, which is a pretty good size sample, really. Something like this would last me forever. Full size version of this palette, and it is a whole palette. And they come in, I think there's like 4 colors in there. I think it's like, I want to say a couple highlighters and maybe a couple bronzers. And it is retailed for $27 for the whole palette. The Gold Fatten MD Wake Up Call Overnight is, the full size version is 50 milliliters. It is $85. Okay, so this is full size. The Kokie Cosmetic Liquid Eye, and it is retailed for $6. So we did get one full-size product. The Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. You get 30 millimeters, which is just far from it, for $85. And the last thing is the Glow On Fit Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub. The full size is 120 milliliters. Now, this one was, did not say, but 120 milliliters is like a whole lot bigger. So, but the full size version is $30. Now, I don't think I've used anything by Glow On Fifth. So, hopefully it works, because my hands are killing me. I mean, it's like, they stay dry. They're like, looks awful. And it's driving me crazy. But I have found that putting Vaselines on at night. I thought about getting, like, I've got some gloves skin gloves. I thought about putting them on and putting Vaseline on, then putting the gloves on, and maybe it absorb faster. But if I go like a night, like I went a few nights, I used it last night, a few nights without, you can see like wrinkling right back up. So, the bag, I'll give it like a 3.5 out of a 5. I do like the eyeshadow. It's something I know I'll use. I will use everything in here. It's just, I don't know, with skincare, I'm very particular. But when you are getting a subscription plus one that's like this, that you know is deluxe size samples, I prefer more makeup products and something like this, because skincare, and especially something like this or this, you're not going to know if it's going to work for you or not, because it does take about 6 weeks for anything to work, sometimes longer. So you're really not going to know if this stuff is working for you or not. Now the hand cream, I'll probably, be able to use it for, maybe if you use it 3 times a week, I might be able to use it for 2 weeks, maybe a week, who knows. But I do have a big full-size bottle by, I forget. But I do have full size of a hand scrub already. And I do like the feel of this. I took a chance on it, didn't know nothing about it, but the way it feels really incredible. You can see how bouncy it is. Most of the, like, especially cheaper ones, they don't have that flexibility. The only ones that I really like is the Beauty Blender. I like the Huda Beauty sponge. And Real Technician, some people like them, some people don't. I'm like, maybe Real Technician was probably the first sponge I ever got, and I liked it when I first got it. But after I got my Beauty Blender, I didn't really care much about it. And I don't know, it's sometimes like, even after you wash it, it still feels funny. I've thrown mine away. I had a few of them, I threw them away. I have one like for a blush, but I don't use it. But I did buy one. Oh, I want to say somewhere around maybe October. I think it was around Halloween. Um, in Wet and Wild, and I absolutely love that sponge. It looks a little different. It's got like maybe like little holes or something, but I absolutely love that sponge. It puts my foundation on good. I don't eat up too much of the product or just spread it around where it's not even setting in your skin. I hate that. Some products like the Beauty Blender don't, like, it's so hard that it don't soak it up at all, and you're just like sticking foundation on and it's not blending it in. I can't stand that. But the Wet n Wild one does really good. And them so far really is about the only three that I really like. Now I've got some harder ones that I do use like for powder and stuff like that. And I've got a bunch of other ones that from different brands like Luxie and stuff like that, and I just don't care about them. Well, but I do think I'm going to like this one, but we'll see. So that is it. If anybody would like to try Ipsy for themselves, I will leave a link down below in the description box. And I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for coming and hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.